Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a live swatch video on some metallic gel polishes from Madame Glam. Maria from Madame Glam sent me some of their new metallic gel polishes, and I figured that these colors will be great for one of my Halloween party series videos, so I will be including them as so. I do hope you will like this video. If you do, then definitely thumbs up the video for me. And of course, if you're new here and you would like to see all of my Halloween party series videos that I have for you this year, then definitely also hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna keep this intro short so that you're not staring at this black box, but thank you so much Maria and Madame Glam for sending me these gel polishes, and I am looking forward to try them and swatch them for you. They all look absolutely beautiful, and yeah, let's see if they work as well as their regular gel polishes from their typical lines. I am very excited to try them. So keep watching, and then I will come back and share my thoughts with you on my favorite and the formulas of these metallic gel polishes from Madame Glam. Alright guys, let me know what are your thoughts on these gel polishes from Madame Glam. I do have to say, there is some learning curve to these. I didn't see any videos and I didn't have much information on these metallic gel polishes from Madame Glam prior to me swatching them for you, so these were truly also my first impressions. After I did some research, you can use these metallic gel polishes either over the silver base coat or on their own. For the most part, I think they are way too sheer to be worn on its own, but of course if you do like that type of look, there is no, saying no to it, of course. I prefer to wear them over the silver metallic base. So if you are interested in these, I would definitely recommend you to get the silver base as well. And Madame Glam was very kind and they also sent me their base coat for these metallics. I don't really know if there is much difference between a regular gel polish base coat and this. I believe it smoothens out the surface of your nails a little bit more, because just be aware, you can see every single ridge in your nails when you're applying these gel polishes on them. They were quite sheer for my liking, even over the silver polish, except for the green one. That one is like fully opaque, but I absolutely love Day Off. That's the purple one. It's purple. Two, I just can't stop staring at my nails. I'm still wearing that manicure and I just love it. That gel polish is absolutely my number one and I can see myself reaching for it more often. All in all, the quality of this is really good. However, I do have to point out that if you are not used to gel polishes, you may be running into some errors, user errors, but once you get the basics down, I'm pretty sure you will be enjoying them. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts, which gel polish out of these four was your favorite, or even the silver base, you can just wear it on its own. I think it looked really cool and I really like the effect of the silver base in general. Thank you so much, Madame Glam, again one more time for sending this to me. Thank you especially to Maria. And you can also use my code Judita30 at Madame Glam's website. You should be clicking on the link that is in the description box to be able to use the discount for these gel polishes at your checkout. Alright, that's it. This is a very long outro, but all in all, I am really happy with them. How often will I use these? That's another question, but the purple one is something that I will be definitely showcasing on my channel and on my Instagram definitely in the future again. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some Halloween party series again. So thank you. Bye bye.